How to use Hulu offline. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you use Hulu offline. Now, here's what you need. First thing first, to use Hulu offline, you need to have a premium account and you can actually download content and watch it offline. But you need to make sure you're downloading the content while you're connected to internet service. So what you want to do is that in order to download and watch offline, you just want to go ahead and find the content that you want to download. So go ahead and locate the movie or a TV show that you want to download. Underneath, you could find the download button or the download arrow icon. You click onto that, and once you click onto that, you'll be able to see the another field where you just want to go ahead and click onto the download button. Once you click the download button, the movie is going to be downloaded and it's going to be available offline. If you want to download a TV show or a series, you just want to go ahead and select the episodes or entire episode as well and start downloading it, and that way you could watch it offline, or that's how you'll be able to use offline. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.